Oh, it's another beautiful day. The sun is shining bright and I am in Seville, Spain. Today on the agenda, we're gonna go to one of the largest cathedrals. We're gonna go get some churros and dip them in chocolate. There's Jackie sneaking out behind me. And here is the street view of what we get to enjoy. You know, it's beautiful, nice. The cute little cafe over here. So yeah, all right, let's go have some fun. All right, we are on our way to
La Catedral de Sevilla.
I'd say it, but I don't know how. But it's really gorgeous and should be pretty fun.
The bell tower is called La Ronda.
Alright, the other day when we were in Boston, we walked up 300 and some odd stairs. Now we are in Seville, Spain. There's no flights of stairs, but it's like 3 times the size. So these cool little ramps that go up and they turn the corner. Jackie just announced that we're up the 22nd story.
We just climbed up a lot of ramps and are enjoying the beautiful view of Seville, Spain.
Here it is. We're in the world's largest cathedral. Alright, just got done with the world's largest cathedral. It's pretty sweet inside. Now we are headed to the bus station so we can take a bus to
Ronda, Spain.
And what are we gonna do in Ronda?
You know, we have no idea yet.
I'm gonna figure it out when I get there.
We have a place to stay and that's about it.
Here's some horses and some hard workers. Hello, horse, don't kiss me, please. Jackie and I are sitting in this restaurant. She just threatened to stab me with a knife. She said I don't talk loud enough. I'm pretty loud.
He's really not. He's like so quiet.
Alright, here's some cowtail.
Old tail.
Old tail. It's old tail. But it tastes like roast beef. It's pretty good.
Right.
Alright, I just got out of La Moderna. Pretty good food. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it, Jackie?
7.
7. How about that bull tail?
It was like a 10.
Yeah, I'd agree. That was pretty good stuff.
It's good.
Crackers. I put that like it's -5,
maybe
-6.
because of the crackers.
I bit into one and I died. They had to bring me like 20 glasses of water just so I'd stop coughing. Okay, it wasn't that bad, but
I performed CPR, you know.
Are you ready for sunstroke?
yeah, I'm ready for sunstroke. All right, we just got off the hottest bus ever. Jackie, tell them how hot it was.
I thought I was gonna die. It was awful.
Yeah, she couldn't sit by me. She was getting ready to puke, so she went and sat by herself.
She had to get off the bus so she could come out in 100-degree heat in Ronda.
It's better to be moving than sitting though. Like
Yeah.
sitting in heat's awful.
Check it out, it says 107.
You're kidding.
No, that's what it says.
Wow.
So, 107 degrees. Hope that focused for you. Blake came and picked us up. Thank you, Blake.
You're welcome, guys.
We're off to the Airbnb to drop off our stuff. And then where are we going?
Bull ring. Ronda.
The bull rings. All right, here we are, rolling up to the bullfighting ring. Now we just have to find Julie and meet up with her. You excited for this?
Yes. I have no idea really what it is other than it's a bullfighting ring, but I'm excited.
Ooh.
So it closes. We got an hour and a half.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
It's hot. I'm about 5. Yeah, sorry.
On a scale of 1 to
Terrible.
10, how hot are you?
I'm all the way. Yes.
100%.
On the scale of Iceland to hell, how hot are you?
Indiana. Just keep going.
On our trip, we've been following Rick Steves' book, and so Blake is looking up the best route for this bull ring.
Número 2.
Alright, this is where all the magic happens. This is where the fighters would come out and fight the bulls, trying to kill them and win the match. Pretty impressive. So back in the day, if you had a horse and a sword, then you're pretty rich. Alright, here's Blake. Here's Blake, pretending like he's a big shot.
That's right. I have to pretend. You got it.
What are you, Matador? Matador Dad Blake Hill.
What would I be? What would my name be?
Sir Blake a lot.
El Papón.
Papon, I like that one.
El Padrón.
Hey papi. Hey papi Blake.
Papón. Padrón.
Oh yeah. And my name? I don't know what my name would be, but a good one, I'm sure.
El Fion.
Yeah, comment below.
Side. That's perfect.
Alright, it's time to play Bullfighter! I'm gonna be the bull. Jackie's gonna be
Wait.
Alright, what's Jackie's name?
La Jacqueline.
La
Jacqueline.
La Jacqueline. Alright, ready?
I got ya.
Okay, coming back.
That was great.
Alright, just finishing up the tour of the bull ring. What'd you guys think? Whoa, watch out! We got us a chistoso. Whoa. Dude, listen to the echo on that.
Ooh, do it again.
Do it again, hey! Welcome out, everybody!
Toro.
Hey, that was pretty sweet.
Toro.
I didn't know that it echoed in here.
It's
I like
right
it.
in the center, yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. Anyways, what'd you guys think overall?
It was really cool. I didn't realize that there were like rules involving the bullfight. Like it was really cool to like learn about the rules and things.
Nope, you're not.
You know what's nice about hot weather in Spain? Popsicles.
Bazooka popsicles.
Sounds good.
Mmm. Alright, so I dared Blake to do something crazy tonight. Right here behind us is a bull. It's got a fence around it. So I dared him to come down at 3 o'clock tonight and ride the bull. You think he'll do it?
No.
He might.
3 a.m.
I am standing on a 250-year-old bridge. It's got quite the view. Very gorgeous. Great bridge.
Seville.
Alright, we're finishing off the night, watching the sunset.
Si, senor.
Oh, that's not the sunset, that's Blake.
My red face.
Here's the sunset.